Exam is nearer, that's why practice is more important, right? And you know the model: 10 marks, 9 marks, 28 marks, 28 marks, right? 50 days. So she will just leave. Who are absent? I think those three are absent. So we have got those cards. Okay, children, look at here. What is the instruction accordingly you have to do? Choose the best alternative of the following questions and write in the answer sheet. So what to do? 1A, B, or this is 1A. Then which physical quantity always remains the same in a transformer? What remains same? Force, voltage, current, or power? What do you think? Power? Power remains same. What does transformer do?
Voltage, sir.
It changes the alternating current, right? Changes alternating current. Changing alternating current from high
Voltage.
AC to
Voltage, sir.
means high voltage to low voltage or low voltage to high voltage. So voltage is changed, then what remains constant? The changes. What remains same? Current. Current remains same, but voltage changes. High to low, low to okay. Because it converts 11,000 volt to 30,000 volts, 30,000 volts to 11,000 volts. Which metal can be obtained from argentite ore? Argentite ore, what do you think? Silver? Okay, silver is there. Then, which of the following is an example of algae? Moss is example of algae? Are you sure? Moss is a bryophyte. Rhizophus, are you sure? Rhizophus is a pteridophyte. The answer is Chlamydomonas. What is the answer? Chlamydomonas. Which of the following is netizen? Who use internet? Means internet users, right? This one. Number E. What type of chemical reaction occurs when magnesium oxide is mixed with water? Magnesium oxide is mixed with water. What is formed? What is produced? Magnesium oxide, MgO plus H2O, it gives MgOH whole 2. So what is this? Combination reaction. What is this? Combination reaction. Sometimes rotate that side, this side also work. Next one, why is ammonia gas passed into lime tower before collecting in gas jar in the laboratory? What do you think? Read the question. Why is ammonia gas passed into lime tower before collection in gas jar in the laboratory? Why? Sorry? To make the gas moist. To dry the gas. To dry the gas, because there is water vapor. The water vapor must be soaked by calcium oxide so that gas becomes dry. Number Z. What is the question? What type of lens is used for the correction of defect of vision shown in the diagram? So what type of defect of vision is this? Image is found in front of retina means myopia or hypermetropia? Myopia. What is it? Myopia. So to correct this myopia, what do you use? Concave. Always keep in mind where is the image formed. So if the image is formed here, then convex lens. Okay. Okay, next one is, here is one transformer. If number of turns of wire in primary coil of a transformer shown in the diagram is 4 times more than that in the secondary coil, What will be the value of secondary voltage? See, check the question. Question is here. Why is not going? Here. Number of turns of wire in primary coil of a transformer shown in the diagram is 4 times more than the secondary coil. It means we know the formula. What is the formula? So NP by NS equals to BP by BS. It says number of turns in primary coil are 4 times, means OX by X equals to BP. BP is how much? Primary voltage is how much? 2020 by what? Then this cancel 4 means 220 by 4 means 55 volt. Ratio must be found, okay? So you must remember this ratio and find out. Now what is the next number? Or facts and 2 statements related with genetics are given below. Facts and what is that? Statements. What is question? What is the first question? Why it's not going a bit fast? Please read the question. What is here? Fact. In vitro fertilization is a process of fertilization when an egg is connected with sperm in a gas. What is in a glass vessel and then is transferred in mother's uterus. Now statements are just check in your book also. In your I have taken it from your course that checkbook. Kosi Pradesh. You check there. Sperm is not needed for this process, and surrogate mother can grow the embryo in her uterus. Now here are options. What are the options? The fact and both the statements are correct. Fact is incorrect, but both the statements are correct. Fact and statement 2 are correct, but statement 1 is incorrect. Fact and statement 1 are correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. What do you think? Which one is correct? Sorry? Which one? In vitro fertilization is correct? First we have to see what is the in vitro fertilization, a process of fertilization where an egg and gas vessel and then is transferred in mother's uterus. Is that in vitro fertilization? No. Is that in vitro fertilization? In vitro fertilization, what is done? What is done?
Sir, statement 2 is correct, but statement 1 is incorrect.
Statement 1 is incorrect. What is that?
Yes, that
Sperm is not needed for this process. Surrogate mother can grow the embryo in her uterus. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
I think that is right.
Correct, sir.
Which one? Fact and statement 2 are correct,
What?
but statement 1 is incorrect. In vitro fertilization, IVF. Now number J. Please read the question. Villagers of a village are being troubled by rats and they conducted a campaign to kill them. What could be the consequence of it? Ecosystem will be balanced. Number of snakes will be decreased. Number of snakes will be increased. Number of insects will be increased. Which one?
Number of snakes will decrease, sir.
If the So the rats, they conduct a campaign to kill them.
Snakes will decrease.
Number in the snake will
Will be decrease.
Number of insects will be
Increase also.
villagers of a village are being troubled by rats and they conducted a campaign to kill them. If rats are killed,
Snake
snake
will
will
decrease. No, that's why it is decrease.
number will decrease.
Decrease, yes.
If snakes are killed, rats will
Rats will
increase
increase, yeah.
because here rats are eaten by snakes.
Yeah.
And if no snakes, sorry, no rats,
No
then the
rats.
number also will decrease. Okay. Question number 2, it is section B. Define control variable. Write the full form of RNA. Number C. A plant has taproot and bears flowers. Remember it. Taproot and bears flowers. In which class does it fall? What is the class of this one? C. Taproot and bears flower means it is dicotyledonous. What is it? This class is dicotyledonous. What is the class? Dicotyledonous. Number D. Which gas is the main cause of climate change?
Oxygen. Yeah, carbon.
Carbon dioxide, right? Climate change. Not CFC. CFC is the main cause of ozone layer depletion. Number E. What change occurs in the gravitational force? Okay. What change occurs in the gravitational force between two bodies when their masses are kept constant and the distance between their center is reduced 3 times? How do you do? So we know we have to be very careful. F equals to G m1 m2 by d square. This is one condition, right? It is a 1 mark. That's why tactfully we have to solve it. Now F1 equals to G. Masses are kept constant, m1, m2, and distance between their center is reduced 3 times. D by becomes 9G m1 m2 by d square means 9F. So it increases how many times? 9. The force increases. As the distance increases, attraction force increases. As the distance increases, attraction force decreases. They are inversely proportional to each other. F is directly proportional to m1, m2. F is inversely to 1 by d square. This thing you have to say in mind. Yes or no? Okay. How do medicinal plants support to enhance the economy of the nation?
By exporting.
They can be exported and we can earn foreign currency. Number G. What is the question?
Electricity supply.
Electricity supply in your house is 220 volt. Whenever there is 220 volts, remember what is it? VP, primary voltage. You have 2 transformers, one with more number of turns in primary coil. Pay attention here. Eh? More number of turns in primary coil means that is step down transformer. Primary coil more, step down transformer. Primary coil less, then secondary it is step up. And another with less number of turns in primary coil in secondary coil. Which transformer will you select to play radio set that needs 12 volts?
Primary coil. More.
Means first one or second one?
First one.
First one is step down transformer, so we have to use
Step down.
step down transformer. Number H, what is the question?
And
So here are 3 electrons. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is lithium.
that is fluorine.
This is 1, 2, 3, fluorine. Lithium and fluorine. Now what does the question say? Write the molecular formula compound from the combination of elements in the middle. Okay. The LIF. What is the molecular formula? Lithium fluoride.
Fluoride.
What is that?
Lithium
Fluoride. Our toothpaste also contains fluoride. Such things you have to remember. Okay, miss. Oh, Viveki, miss. Understood? Reply. She doesn't. Number I. What type of ore is concentrated by force flotation method? What type of ore is done? Sulfide ore, oxide ore, carbonate ore, or nitrate ore? Force flotation. Fourth flotation, it is in the chapter metals, metallurgy. Find out why are you in Tuan condition bracket? Tuan condition. And they will think K. K hola. And Tuan K became. Understood? Thinking Tuan and here Tuan. Sulfide ore. Say. So see, this is 19 marks gone. Now question number 3. Define monohybrid cross and phenotype. Write the name of the blood vessel which carries blood from heart to lungs and lungs to heart. Difference between Archimedes principle and law of flotation in 2 points. In what 2 ways electric generator differs from electric motor? So here we have right differences between.
Yes.
Right? So how many questions became? Means 1. Question number 1 means 10 marks. 2 means 19 marks. Plus here 6. 3 to the 6. 25 marks, right?
Yes.
Your duty starts now. Open your book and check. Kaushik Pradesh. And do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.